later stage. Now, the most important thing for any aspirant or any new aspirant who is willing to or who is looking forward to appear for the examination is to understand this timeline cycle of the examination. Why I am saying so? Because you might have heard stories of people who are spending more than 5 years, 6 years, and at least 3 plus years in this cycle of examination. And the idea to give you a brief about this examination, this cycle in detail, is to make you understand that how crucial is to analyze the risk while you are appearing for the examination, or analyze the, at least if not the risk from this cycle, you should understand the what amount of time you should be able to commit without fail and without thinking much of the consequences if you are looking to clear this examination. So, for if you are appearing for 2023 examination, just follow this cycle. You will understand what I'm trying to say. So, first you may have preliminary examination in May 2023. I think it's 28th May to be precise. But just for the sake of simplicity, just consider the months for now. So, it's a prelim examination. Now, the result of the examination will take around, on an average, 20 to 30 days. Like for us, it came in 90 days only, 17 days, and in previous year 19 days. Because of the COVID, there was certain delay. So they have ensured the result came out early so that future exam can be conducted smoothly. But you can consider up to 1 month time to for the prelim result to come. So if you fail in the prelim, then you have to start again from the next year prelim examination, which will be probably scheduled in May 2024. So you can understand that suppose you are here and you are starting preparation 6 months before May 2023. So you can come around November, something like that. So if you start at November 2023, November 2022 preparation, then after spending 6 months, you might have to wait another year if you fail the prelims examination then and there. So straight away you are losing a year if you fail prelim exam here itself. Now, if you suppose you succeed in prelim examination and you move towards appearing for mains examination, it's very good. You will get an opportunity to, now since prelim, as we'll see later in our detailed video of prelim examination, it has also significant component of luck in it. So and some various other value factors which can help you, which can make prelim and break prelim for you, because it's a one day thing. Okay, but if you're lucky enough and you have done few things right and you are getting chance to appear for mains examination, here you can expect that uh, the efforts which you're giving from the result, starting from the time you get the prelims result and appearing in the mains examination in September 2023 for suppose, so whatever 2-3 months efforts you are giving, you can actually see the result in the mains examination. So mains exam is more about your effort. So here you get a chance to write answers. Not, it's not as objective as prelims, but still there are a lot that goes in this 2-3 months. But again, if you fail the result of mains examination is expected to come in 60 days. So suppose you get a result in November last week or the December first week. Now again, since if you fail here, then you have to repeat the cycle and wait for the prelim examination that will happen in May next year. So you can see, after spending almost a year, if you fail, then you have to again appear for the next examination. There is nothing like, if few of people here are aware about this chartered accountancy examination, then may be aware that if you fail in the main examination or a part of the group, there are two groups. If you fail in one group, you can still appear for the other group in the next cycle. Generally, they have 3 to 4 exams, in 2 to 3 exams in a year. So accordingly, it's nothing like that in civil services. You have to start from the beginning. So that's why this understanding this cycle and accepting this cycle is important. Then, if you succeed in mains examination and you move forward for the personality test, which generally takes place uh, in, in the first week of Feb or from Feb to March, uh, it almost takes around 1.5 months to complete. So if you get success here, then obviously you will get rank, you will get not a lot of recognition because the fame attached with the examination. But still, you have to understand that before you join the service, it will go up to August 2024, which where you might already have another prelims that have taken place. So, what is the idea of presenting this cycle to you? The idea of presenting this cycle is to make you understand that if you start in November 2022 also for 2023 examination, to reach to position where you are able to join the service, in the best case scenario, you are almost taking a 2 years time. Okay, but still, if you fail at any of these stages and you have to then again appear for the prelim examination that will take place in the next year, May 2024, and this cycle will be repeated. So please try to focus on, take a pause and take put the video on the pause and take some time to understand this cycle and imbibe it. Why? Because this will help you test your motivation for the examination. This will help you understand what is the real challenge behind the examination. The examination is not about learning and writing the paper. It is also about passing through this phase of the period, this phase of examination, which almost takes at least 2 year time for any good student, or any student who passes every stage of the examination successfully in the one go. Then also it takes a 2 years time. So it is a very strong commitment that you have to make to yourself. So don't jump in this examination just for the sake that you might get a power, you might get authority, you have a strong motivation to serve the country. All of that thing is fine. If you are able to weigh this commitment with the objective or aim that you have for the examination, if still your objective and aim weighs above this all this commitment, then you can surely go ahead and appear for the examination. My objective is not to demotivate you. The idea is only to give you the aware you with the reality that this exam will have over the next 1 or 2 years which are going to put for the examination.